Why you need a YouTube channel to promote a project. The very first video was uploaded to YouTube in 2005. A young man uploaded an amateur video called Me at the Zoo. Today, YouTube is used not only by individual bloggers, but also by entire editorials with powerful resources, including such mega giants as BBC, CNN, and Bloomberg. The business community is also very active here. Many large corporations and conglomerates, small businesses, and individual entrepreneurs. What is in it for them? It's very simple. The video content on YouTube today has turned into one of the most effective marketing tools. This unique channel of interaction allows to create a huge army of loyal users. It can be monetized. How? First of all, YouTube helps improve brand recognition using one's own channel and that of the partners. It's noteworthy that having a channel is free both for individual bloggers and businesses. That's to say that YouTube is providing a free acquisition of customers for an entrepreneur. Secondly, there is an opportunity for paid advertisement. According to HubSpot data, this is a service that covers all aspects of internet marketing. 83% of marketing experts argue that the return on the investment in the video content promotion is several times higher than that of any other marketing campaign. Meanwhile, advertisement costs are much lower on YouTube than on TV, and the former offers almost the same audience reach as the latter. Moreover, YouTube is a powerful targeting tool, a marketing mechanism allowing to isolate a part of the audience according to your chosen criteria. It allows you to adjust your advertising campaign to your precise characteristics, matching your target audience. Finally, YouTube provides a high-quality audience. You must agree that a client who watched a video about your product is much more likely to be considered a warm lead than a person who knows nothing about your company and simply replied to your contextual advertisement. It is not surprising that 62% of all companies in the world use YouTube to post their video content and have good results. For example, the Nike advertising clip featuring Ronaldinho was the first video to gain 1 million views, while the most popular brand channel, Lego, has more than 6 billion views on their channel. Some more statistics. 90% of survey participants on a popular platform think with Google report that they learn about new products on YouTube. Another survey reports that those who watched an advertisement on a channel for at least 30 seconds or longer are 23 times more likely to visit the brand's channel, subscribe to it, and watch and share its videos. And even those who watched it for less than 30 seconds do those things 10 times more often. Not a bad result, isn't it? And finally, one more way of monetization. A regular blogger can earn money from allowing advertisements on their channel. Out of every $100 received from an advertiser, YouTube pays $68 to the channel owner, or video blogger, vlogger for short. It's not a secret that many bloggers create channels for this particular goal. Some of them are very successful. For now, the world record is set by a 7-year-old boy named Ryan. He earned $22 million in 1 year. He has 17 million subscribers. Rating of the world's highest paid vloggers are published annually. Every blogger on the top 10 list made at least $14.5 million in 2018. And the number of channels earning more than $1 million is growing annually by 40%. But there is a flip side of the coin. A YouTube channel owner might make no money at all, and taking into account money and time invested into creating a video content, they can even operate at their own loss. Our course is developed to prevent this tragic situation. With all its advantages, YouTube also has a very serious downside, a huge competition among the channels. It should be clear that only those who work on a relevant subject, offer high quality content, and use smart methods to promote their product become successful. And now let's examine the methodology of channel creation.